here's the one thing that I'm upset about as an investor. We need the fiscal stimulus. I don't care what the heck the plan is at some point, okay? Get one announced, whether it's $1,000, $2,000, bailouts, whatever. The market needs some certainty and some action. Otherwise, you're going to see the volatility continue to explode. Let's get something done, and that's a message. That's a message to Washington.
Yeah.
Why we don't have a fiscal deal done, because there's some, political partisanship, is ridiculous. This needs to be announced today.
And Ron,
that'd be my message.
To illustrate what you're discussing, J.P. Morgan's out with a new, I don't know if I should call it a forecast and estimate for GDP for the year. Bottom line is this: I think 4% contraction first quarter, which we're in right now, 14% contraction in the second quarter, maybe then a rebound back half of the year from that very steep contraction. So do you think anything can be done right now to keep it from being that bad, including what you're saying, announce the number, get the checks to households, however that money can be distributed, go for it?
Well, look, I don't think there's anything that can be done to stop the contraction that's going to occur, primarily in the second quarter. There'll be some, obviously, in the first, but I don't think there's anything that can be done. The question is can this end so that the economy can begin to rebound? I mean, the market has, whatever the economic is for the next 3 months, the market has taken far more out of market values than what that would be left in a vacuum. So, I'm less concerned about whether there's going to be a recession. I'm assuming there will be one. I believe that we need certainty, and I think the message should be, and at least here from the Midwest, I'm telling you that people are doing what they're supposed to be doing and being told to do. And I believe that we will look back and say, yes, this was the right response to flatten the curve.
I think they're mostly doing that here in New York as well. Let me just close with one question, if I might. I want to go back to Bill Ackman, whose comments impassioned, as you heard. Do you think he's right? Do you think he's too alarmist? Do you think he's ridiculous? How would you characterize those? If you were sitting here talking to him right now, what would you say to him?
Well, I think that, he's making the comment we need drastic action, and I think he put it in a 30-day vacation for everyone.
He did.
Where I'm not sure that I agreed was that I don't believe that if everyone went home for 30 days, I think it would flatten the curve, but I don't think we eradicate the disease. Because in 30 days we can all open our doors, walk out, and go back to everything. I think this is going to be a continual development. So I don't believe that in 30 days the disease would be gone around the world if everyone did that. That's my own opinion.
Right.
Again, I'm not a doctor, so I don't want to argue too much with Mr. Ackman. But I do believe that we are doing actions which are going to cause this to be handled. I do believe that stocks will be higher, significantly higher a year from now, but we'll see.